Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix IDM is not working on YouTube Google Chrome. Let's begin. So what you need to do is you need to go to your web browser and you're going to search up IDM and you're going to select this first link where it says Internet Download Manager is a powerful download accelerator. So simply what you need to do is you need to reinstall Internet Download Manager, especially if you had it before. So what can basically happen is a few files can become corrupt on a specific application on your computer due to a virus or because of missing registries. So what I would suggest is you try to reinstall the Internet Download Manager again. So once you've done installing the Internet Download Manager, you are going to go back and you're going to look for the Chrome browser integration. So you will select it there. Then you scroll down and you're going to look for a link where it says if extension is not installed automatically, then install IDM integration module. Once you've selected that, it's going to open up the Chrome Web Store. And all you need to do is you need to install it if the IDM installation folder did not install the IDM integration module automatically. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.